it's Invest Diva's founder and CEO, Kiana Danial with News BTC, and 2018 is coming to an end. While you may want to say a big ol' bye-bye 2018, I'm here to say not so fast. I know you may be mad at the crypto market for not delivering what you thought it would in 2018, and you might even be super tired of waiting for that bottom all crypto analysts keep promising. But I'm here to say that even in the most bearish crypto markets, there's still money to be made. You see, the crypto market is incredibly volatile, probably even more volatile than the foreign exchange or the forex market. That's the traditional currency market where you can make money trading fiat currencies against each other. I've written a couple of books on the forex markets, including the Invest Diva's Guide to Making Money in Forex and Ichimoku's Secret, teaching traders exactly how they can make money in shorter time frames. Now, you might know that crypto is a cross between a currency like the US dollar and traditional assets like stocks. While most crypto enthusiasts treat crypto more like an asset and are eager to buy the freaking dip, they're missing out on the currency aspect of crypto trading. In the past year, after I gave birth to my daughter, I spent a whole 7 months researching and writing my new book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies. In this book, I reveal what to expect from cryptocurrencies in the coming years and how to generate profit using my award-winning IDDA method. That's short for the Invest Diva Diamond Analysis. I use this method not only for forex and crypto investing strategies, but also for other assets like stocks and ETFs. And I actually share my strategies on a weekly basis in our premium investing group. With that, while the short-term outlook for the markets may remain gloomy, there are still definitely opportunities to make money. For example, I made my first ever profit trading the crash of 2008. While the rest of the market participants were panicking, I sold the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and within 1 month, I made $10,000. If you're as excited as I am about all these opportunities in 2019, don't forget to go to www.investdiva.com and click on the Get Started button. You can also view my books by clicking on the Books tab. And you can see my other investing services under the Services tab. I am so excited to see you there and share a ton of my personal stories with you. In the meantime, I wish you an amazing 2019, and I can't wait to share all of our exciting strategies and services with you.